Hi, this is 10 to 15 Tarrant. Just getting done with the gutter cleaning. I wanted to discuss a few things about what we can do to, prevent future problems, and got all the debris off the roof and off top of the gutters. The gutters should be working slightly better now. When it comes to the gutters, with all the rain that comes off this area here, it's shooting off this screen system. It's not able to handle all the water. So I think maybe the reasons that it was called out here was because of this blackness here. We're going to need to get some type of a water diverter right there to keep the water from coming off, or just let the water come through with a better screen system. The benefit of this is that you actually can pressure wash over top of it without having to remove the screens. All these screens need to be removed if you wanted to get cleaned under them, but they're all zip screwed in place. And for some reason, I'm seeing a lot of weird random nails just sitting on the roof. And, our gutter cleaning includes a free roof and gutter inspection. I think the gutters are decent shape except for the screens. Terrible, ineffective screens, but to each his own. So we see a lot of nails that have been sealed up before in the past, but they're starting to lose their sealant and they need to be resealed. And a lot of new nail pops that are coming up, and so that would need to be tuned up. There's a few other areas in the shingle where I'm seeing some wear and tear. I'm a little concerned. You see this area where the asphalt has been completely exposed. You can see the fiberglass. Once the sun starts beating on that, that shingle is going to start to curl and cup. You can see a lot of degranulation where the shingle has lost a lot of its aggregate. Good. Bad. So I want to see that improved. Definitely get all these sealed up. That can be an entry point for water over time. And this is bad. We got a crack in the shingle here. It's called a thermal crack. So when the shingle tries to expand and contract, what happens is oh man, it dries the shingle out and the shingle cracks, and it can be an entry point for water. Not sure if you can hear that, but this whole subfloor and this roof is pretty creaky, and that concerns me. I don't like how the subfloor wasn't nailed off nicely. Some of your sealant right here is lost its effectiveness and is dried out, needs to be updated. And also it is cracked and there is a hole and it is nasty. So this is going to need to be replaced. And this fascia board also, that one by, and that fascia board needs to come up. These shingles need to come up to do the full replacement. We do offer a service like that to do that repair. Just let me know. Also, we did a lot of tree trimming back here. There was a huge tree that was just growing all over the roof and the gutter. So we got that cleaned up. Overall, the roof seems to be pretty normal roof, but I would like to see a few things tuned up. You're starting to get a lot of the green algae, mold, mildew, and stuff on your chimney and fascia boards, even your gutters around the house. Got a handful of birds' nests that could benefit from being removed. I don't know if anybody lives here regularly or not, so I'm just updating anybody with the things they need to know about. We're starting to get the development of lichen, and then it turns into moss. So, the roof really isn't that bad. We're starting to see some blackness on the north side here compared to this side here that is always in the sun. So what we can do is put like a roof mold inhibitor. You can see it really closely down here at the edge. And once we put that roof mold inhibitor, your roof should stay clean, and we should never have to do like a bleach-based cleaner, which is a pretty intensive clean. So when you just put the concentrated soaps on, which is the mold inhibitor, you should keep this roof clean and never have to do a full cleanup, because you have a lot of nice landscaping, a lot of nice hardy board, copper flashings. So we want to make sure that we keep this roof clean so we never have to do, like a full roof clean. Let me know if you'd like to get a quote for that, the roof tune-ups, the nail pops, removal of the random nails that are in the roof. And also, if you'd like to improve your gutter system, this would be my best suggestion in the gutter cleaning business over 5 years. We've seen it all. My name is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. This is all we do. Sorry for the long video. I thought I'd introduce myself quickly here. Any questions or concerns about our work, please don't hesitate to give me a call. You can reach me on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. Thank you.